Yesterday, I reminded you of the everyday that is a blank page you are carrying. And whatever you write, it is basically your attitude which depicts what you write on that page of your life. Challenges, they will keep coming, right? So while standing in the morning assembly, that is again a challenge. Sustaining and bearing the turbulence, that is again a challenge. Bearing the blast and the bashing of your seniors is again a challenge. But remember, the positive, disciplined, and determined attitude cannot can overturn all the obstacle in your way of life. Remember, discipline is not a restriction. Basically, it is a power upon the time wearing your uniform with the pride, keeping your mind focused in the class, and respecting the rules of the college. These are not the small things, they are the training of the ground for the success. Each great man and the woman, they are not born great. They become great by their effort over different excuses, focus over distraction, and the persistent over quitting. Today, I ask each of you to walk in your classroom with the mindset of learning, giving the best to your subject, respect your teachers, and also be respectful to your colleagues. I expect the better standard today than what was yesterday. Thank you much. Assalamu alaikum.